actually may have caught fire at some point, destroyed it. This will be gone. We're going to be bringing brand new audio into this, so we're really not even going to need any of this stuff right here, this ancient stuff. We are also going to be removing the heating ductwork back there, get a new evaporizer or condenser, and a new heater core, just so this will all be a full functioning AC system and heating system. I know a lot of people out there in YouTube are thinking just dragger, but we want to make sure that this thing sees road as an everyday vehicle. The purpose of it, just for that, we're revamping it for that reason. So we're going to take apart the whole dash and see if we see any further rust back there, which I doubt, but most definitely get rid of any of this right here, which there is rust right here. There's some rust right there, and how to get some of this stuff out of here, some of these old computers, and definitely we're going to get to the HVAC box back here and clean it up, see what we need from it, or even revamp it. All this, we'll be able to see what's broken in here as well, if there's anything broken. The structure, and then while it's off, we'll get it over to Jesse and have him do the paint work on it as well. The old stuff. Get some pliers. I'm going to take off the 4 nuts, and it's going to bring down the column, and then it's going to free it up that I don't have to completely remove the column, so that's why it gives me an opportunity to get this little guy out of there. So he's just kind of like in here. So we got him out, and then continue with the rest. It makes it easy. We're not going to totally lose this because these will still be there, so we'll be able to bring the steering wheel back up without this guy. So we have mobility, move it around while it's at the body shop, while they're doing the roof and the floor. So let's continue on. Close this off. Cable comes. There we go. There he comes. And let's get some of these harnesses off. More. A bunch of wires here. There it is. One dashboard coming right out. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and get this prepped up and ready to get it cleaned up and repainted. We got a little pony emblem we gotta take care of there. Paint's gonna get redone. Don't worry. We're gonna take off the heater box, where the heater core and the condenser's at, so we have that out the way too. Let me remove this hood. Get a little bit off of it. And then we're gonna reinstall it when it goes out to paint. No dashboard. And we're full of coolants. We're gonna clean this up. Check this motor out to see if it's working properly. Make sure that it's letting go of all the water properly. Make sure this heater core is working properly. The evaporator for the AC system. Change up all these foam gaskets here and on the dash. Get a nice perfect seal on it. See how bad this looks. Well, it's not too bad. Gotta get a little more glue down here, get rid of this stuff. Main computer, it's right here. Where our computer will end up sitting eventually. Go over there and tear that side off and see what we got over there.